All right, today I'm going to teach you how to use nighttime mode on your iPhone. What we're going to do is we're going to go to settings here, and then we're going to scroll down to display and brightness, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to night shift. We're going to click on that, and when you click on night shift, you can either manually tell it when you want it to turn into night shift mode, which will make the colors on your phone change to a different, warmer lighting that's better for looking at things at nighttime. It's better for your eyes, it's better for your brain. And we can schedule it to do this every day. We can, on my phone here, I have it scheduled to turn on at 12 a.m. and to turn off at 12 p.m. Now, that's a very long window, but you can change it here to 12, or you can change it to 10 p.m., let's say, for most people. And then we can change it to turn off at 6 a.m. when people might be likely to wake up. And then we're going to go click off. And look, you can also adjust the amount of warmth you want. Look, this is on the highest setting, but I can go down to the middle. That's pretty average. And we can go to less warm. That's pretty cool, actually. And I might not recommend that at nighttime. I would veer on the warmer side when you're looking at your phone at night. I like to keep it all the way up. It's going to change the colors of videos you're watching at night or pictures you're looking at, but that's okay. It's not too important because we can look at it in the morning when we wake up. And you can also make it so that you don't schedule it and you're just manually doing this, so you're enabling it manually until you wake up in the morning, and this will turn off the night shift when you wake up, and that's about it. So when you start using your phone again, the night shift mode will turn off, and that's about it. So that's how you change your phone to night shift mode and to turn it off. Another thing you can do is you can swipe up on your phone and you can click on the brightness setting, and up here you see how it says night shift on the bottom here. You can either click on that to turn it on or click off of it to turn it off. And you can adjust the brightness of the night shift setting here, going like that or turning it down, but you can't really adjust the warmth or coolness of the night shift setting, which is, in my opinion, the most important element of that feature and the coolest part of it, no pun intended. And that's about it.